I'm Teresa from Beauty Nurse and Nonnie, and today I'm going to do my makeup with you. I'm going to do a little different technique today. It's going to be kind of fun, so follow along. If you have some mascara makeup at home, you might want to pull it out and try this method. I'm talking about Maskcara Beauty, the cream 3D foundation, highlights and contours, illuminators, and eyeshadows, and beautiful cream blushes, lip and cheek colors we call them. Lip and cheek because they're lip and cheek. Some people even use them for their eyeshadows. This makeup is highly pigmented. It's very versatile. You can use it all over your face. The best part is it comes in these compacts, so you have your makeup to go. This is a big triple decker. This is my own personal makeup. Most people start out with something smaller. This is the mini double decker. And it's just a fun way to keep all your makeup together. So today we're going to do the cheetah hack. Bare face today. I'm going to just kind of put my hair back. So with this method, I'm just going to dab on a bunch of makeup with my finger. So I'm going to use just my finger to apply it, and then we're going to blend with the brushes. It's an easy way for if you're a beginner, especially, or if you just like to do quick makeup. My daughter likes to do her makeup this way. I usually just grab the brush, but we will do something different today. So go into my highlights and my contours, and I'm going to go into my contour, and I'm going to use a little darker colors today so they show up really good. So I'm just going to rub my finger in the contour first, and I'm going to find my cheekbone, and I'm just going to dab a couple dots here. That's where I'm going to put my contour. Okay, and then I'm going to put some contour up here. This is very dark. You don't need a lot of it. Your contour might not be this dark. I'm using a dark one today just so it shows up, but it blends. Okay, there's my contour. I'm going to put a little bit underneath my jawline here. Dab, 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 dab. Okay, when I color match you, I probably will give you two highlight colors. The highlight colors are your foundation. This contour is part of your foundation too. And you have a darker one and a lighter one. The darker one is your main color, and the lighter one is for brightening around the eyes. So we're going to go into our darker color, and today I'm going to go into my color, and I'm going to kind of go along the perimeter of my face here. I'm going to go on my jawline. A little bit of makeup goes a long way, so you don't need a whole lot. I'm going to go my nose, and I'm going to go right above my contour. And then I'm going to take my lighter color, and I'm going to go under my eyes with it, a little bit right across here. I'm going to go down my nose with it. And we might add a little bit more later. We want this to be kind of a V in here. Okay. Looks kind of funny. I have makeup dotted all over my face. I'm going to take that lighter color, and I'm going to go onto my lids too, because I need to color correct. Now this makeup, like I said, it can be color correct. I have a lot of redness here, and it's going to cover it up. So I'm just dabbing it on. Okay. Make sure I have enough. Lighter one there. It's going to blend. Okay, then I'm going to grab a brush. I'm going to grab my B2 blush and bronzer brush, and I'm going to just kind of start moving it around. Now this makeup warms up on your skin, and it makes it easier to blend. So I'm going to just blend my highlight colors. My light, contour is going to be last. So I'm going to start with the light colors, and then I'm going to work my way up. And so I dab and blend it around. Then I'm going to just take my other brush here, and I'm going to go into my contour. starts to blend. I've got a lot of contour on today. I'm gonna add a little more contour down the sides of my nose here. And under my lip. Okay, now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do a little blush color for you. Let's pick something bright and cheery. I'll go with pink so it shows up real nice. A little bit of blush goes a long way, ladies. Okay, so I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to dab at it, and I'm going to start bringing it back, and I put it right above that contour. And I'm just dabbing it around. That's the nice thing about this makeup. It moves so nice on your face until you set it. And then once you set it, it's going to stay in place. So. And oh, now I have blush up here, but we can take care of that. Okay. I'm going to go in now, look at my face. I'm going to add a little more highlight under my eyes here. And I'm just going to bring that down, bring that down. Okay. I'm going to go into an illuminator. And I'm going to put it right above my blush here. So it's going to be your contour, your blush, and your illuminator. And I like to take it up into here a little bit. There we go. Next I'm going to do my brows, and I'm just today going to use the same contour color that I was using earlier. I'm going to take my hot line brush and I'm going to fill in my brows with it. You can use contour for your brows, you can use an eyeshadow for your brows. But it's nice having everything handy right here in my palette. See the difference? Okay, I need to do something for my lips. Let's put on a little nude. I like to layer. Put on a little nude and then I'll add a little pop of color on top. I'm going to use my setting spray, and I'm just going to give it a good spray. The setting spray now has a new packaging, and I'll use my perfector sponge, and we'll just dab around. And then I always double check my jawline because sometimes I forget to blend that jawline. Whoopsie. And we'll just let it dry. Put on a little mascara. My favorite mascara right now is this Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. compact has a mirror in it too, ladies. So you can do your makeup in the car, you can do your makeup on the go. How many of you ladies like to do your makeup in the car? I like this mascara because usually I only need one coat. It stays in place all day. It doesn't run, it doesn't flake, it doesn't smear, it doesn't transfer, and it doesn't clump. So these are the things I like about it. Okay, good, basic, everyday look. I'm going to go in and dab a little. Okay, so I'm just going to dab in to an eyeshadow color. My favorite color for my eyes is coal. Sometimes lately I've been using Midnight a lot. Midnight is kind of a purpley, but I just dab in and I'm just going to drag a little bit underneath my eyes here. That's all I use for eyeliner, ladies. It's nice and easy. Soft looking. Sometimes I'll drag it up here on the corner. Not even really going to do any eyeshadow today, just this. Because today I'm just going to be hanging out at the house again, just like most days lately. Okay, so there you have it. Quick and easy makeup. If you have any areas that you'd like to set, some ladies have, this makeup leaves a little bit of a dewy finish. Do you see that? And I love the way it looks. If you like a more matte look, you can use a little powder on your face, or if you have some oily areas. Every once in a while this gets a little shiny on me and I'll just dab in a little powder on this area. But overall, I like the dewiness of this makeup. I love the way it feels on my face. It's cream makeup and it lasts all day. It's amazing. And it just looks natural and glowy. If you haven't been color matched for this makeup, send me a message and I will color match you. We'll get together, help you pick some colors for your own custom palette, and then you can go online and order it and it'll get shipped directly to your house. So I love this makeup. I want everyone to give it a try. And if you're wondering if you could be a mascara artist like me, send a message and I'll tell you all about it.